this one it got stripped. I tried to take it off earlier. It's stripped. It's not, the nut won't move anymore. So I just gotta cut this nut off and put a new wheel stud in. Tire is about to go. That's why we're changing them. We didn't see that. We had another blowout. Another tire blew out. These tires are over 5 years old. They need to be changed. So did not know that chunk was missing out of that one. So we caught this just in time. Now we need to change this stud here. Real simple, just pound it out. And bought a new stud. It's just a little bit short, but I think it's long enough. A little bit shorter than the original ones. And to put it in, we just push it in through the back. Match up the splines to the splined hole. The nut on, and then just tighten it up, and it'll pull it into the splines of the hole. That's how you put a new stud on. All right, we'll go do the other tire. This is a little better, but believe me, they need to be changed. All right, we're gonna run the tires over to the Goodyear Tire Center, get the new tires mounted. I ordered the new tires online, a lot cheaper. Hopefully they're just as good. I don't know. I actually went up one load range, went from a C to a D load range on the tires, which is way more than they need to be for that boat and that trailer, but here what the heck. So we're changing the tires because we went to take the boat out 2 weeks ago and had a blowout, taking it to get it fueled up, get ready to go out. Tire blew out, and as I said before, those tires they're over 5 years old. They need to be changed. So ordered 5 new tires, one for the spare and then the 4 for the trailer tires, and changed 3 of them already. And actually we were shorted 2 tires when I ordered them online. They only sent the 3, so I had to wait for the other 2 to arrive. They arrived, and now we're just gonna go take them over to Goodyear, get them mounted, and go put the new tires back on the trailer. Alright, so we got the tires changed out on the rims, wheels. Going back to the boat. And mount them on the trailer. the nut I cut off. Alright, got all new tires. 4 on the trailer, 1 on the spare. Should be good for the next few years. Now we're going to install the trailer box, the storage box on the front of the trailer. So it's a tight fit between the jack and the spare tire, and we've got these plates in the way. So I think I'm going to pull this plate off, drill holes through the box, mount the plate inside the box, and through bolt through the plate, through the bottom of the box, bolt it on that way. I'm going to move this jack more forward to allow room for the box, and that'll hold it in place and give us enough room to operate the jack and operate the winch here. So. Might have to widen that one a little bit. All right, so we got the little storage box installed on the front of the trailer. Got the other 2 tires mounted, and I think we're good to go for the next boating trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.